Okay guys, hey y'all, Saving with Shay, welcome. Listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Chanel. I am your super saver. I'm here to help you save money, guys, by using what? Coupons. And what else? Rebate apps, right? Because that's like two ways that you're going to save the most money. You're going to get money back. And God forbid you need money for a bill. Guess what? You know, and I have had to do that before. And so I'm not ashamed to say that. If something comes up and I don't have the funds anywhere else, rebate money is going to come through. And so I was up late last night, or early this morning rather, going through some deals that I wanted to do for you guys for today. It's in the afternoon. I rarely ever record in the afternoons or evenings. I'm a morning person, you guys know that. And I put together some deals for you guys. This is going to be strictly Zardi. Primarily Zardi. Secondary would be a little bit of Brand Club, and thirdary, if at all, like maybe one or two from Ibotta. All right. So, but it is going to be primarily Zardi. So if this is your first time hearing about Zardi, guys, it's another rebate app. It's an awesome app. I love it because, for one, there's a lot of food. All right. I would say 95%, if not more, of their rebates are for food, which is what we need. Okay. I understand it's a coupon and we get a lot of stuff for free, but we don't get a lot of food for free. We get a bunch of stuff that you can't eat. I know that some of you guys might want to eat it, and you probably do eat it, but ideally it's not meant to be eaten. I love Zardi because there's a lot of food. All right. A lot of good food, like healthy food, like frozen vegetables and stuff like that. That's bomb. I love that. And it's stuff that you're going to buy anyways. All right. It's stuff that's staples that you're going to add to your list, and you're going to get a little bit of money back, which is so awesome. All right. With Zardi, it's strictly Walmart. All right. The cash out method is Walmart gift cards, which are cool. I haven't had any issues using my Walmart gift cards yet. You can add those to your Walmart Pay as well if you want to. The minimum to cash out is a $10 Walmart gift card, which I usually will cash out every 10. Because the sooner I get my money, the sooner I can flip it, like hello. And so I almost never wait any longer than $10 for any of the apps. All right. But Zardi, yes, you cash out by way of Walmart gift cards. It's nothing that's going to affect tax time, obviously, because it's Walmart gift cards. All right. It doesn't go to your PayPal or anything like that. So it will never affect taxes. Right. So that's a bonus. For the gift cards, sometimes they go through really quick and you'll get it back really fast. Other times it might take a few hours. Sometimes it'll go through for me the next morning. So that's totally normal. Their customer service is flipping awesome. Let me just say that. Like, I've only really had to reach out to them twice. But both times they hit me up really, really quick. Like I'm saying, like the same day. Like I'm saying within a matter of like 2 or 3 hours, which is always amazing. All right. They credited my account both times, which is so awesome. I had to reach out for them as far as gift cards too, because it said it went through, but it wasn't in my account, but it was there the next morning. What else about Zardi do I really... I honestly just love that you get a lot of food. You know, and a lot of the rebates do coincide with other rebate apps that we use as well, which makes it that much better. You know, because we get to like double stack or triple stack with the rebate apps, which is even better. All right. Some of these items we do tend to have coupons with. Not so much the food, though, or the fresh produce or the frozen stuff. But there are some items that we will have coupons for, which is even better. And they have a leaderboard, which I haven't been really concentrating on lately, honestly. But with this haul, you guys, I might just be number one. Psych. I ain't going to be number one. I'm not going to be number one. Right now I'm at 2,500. Why? Because that was the receipts that I scanned for this week. They do allow you to scan. It used to be up to 50 receipts per week, you guys, but these last 2 weeks for me, it's been around 25. I think one day it let me scan 28. So 25 is like $2.50, which is not a lot, but it's not bad. It's free money for receipts that you just got laying around the house. Now, I did show you guys a method that one of you guys showed me how to retrieve your receipts from your Fetch Reward account. So I'll link that video in the description box for you guys to check that out, because that is another way that you can use to get older receipts that you can scan. And the cool thing about it is if you have actual rebates on there, you'll actually get credit for it, which is really, really cool. All right. And I've had that happen to me like countless times. I'm like, oh my gosh, free money. And what I got was free at the time. It's just more free now because I'm making more money off of it. The points that you get for your items are broken down into 4 categories. All right. Scan points, which you can scan either in store. I've scanned them at home as well. And then you get receipt scans. That's once you submit your receipt, you do an initial survey, and then in 7 days you do a follow-up survey. All right, so that's why the points are broken down like that. So when you submit your receipt, you're not going to get all the points at one time, but if you do all the steps, you'll get them in the end. So I do have a list for you guys, a Google Doc. It'll be in the description box as always. I have 23 items that we're going to be grabbing today, and I'm hoping we can grab them under 20 bucks. Like, that is the goal, to get everything that we're going to get today for under 20 bucks. And I think my retail for everything is around 60 bucks. So I'm trying to think what else I could add really quick. It's going to be strictly voiceover, you guys, because it's the afternoon, the stores are crowded and they're loud, and it will just be easier if I just do this in a voiceover fashion. So we'll do a voiceover for everything in the store, and then at the end I'll show you my basket or my cart of what I was able to get and give you guys a final breakdown there. We're not going to do a breakdown at home because I have a lot of frozen stuff, and I kind of low-key want this to be as quickly as I can. Other than that, guys, because people are pulling up next to me, and you guys know how that irritates me. I just be like, why are you here? Why are you here? Like, seriously, like, why are you all the way over here by me in the boondocks? Then I feel uncomfortable recording because I know that they're looking at me. Like, I can see them in my peripheral vision. But anyway, guys, let's get in this store. Let's get these deals and see what we can get for less than 20 bucks. So keep on watching.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I noticed that something different happened. And this has never happened for me before. So I was in the car doing my surveys, which, by the way, only take like... The surveys only take like, gosh, a minute. Not even that, you guys. The surveys are really, really quick. I noticed today it's been asking me more questions about Walmart Plus, and if you have it or not, if you plan to renew your subscription, or if they were giving you free points to sign up, how much would you? I would want the first month free. That's what I said. But this is the first time that this has ever happened, you guys, where I did some deals and they immediately reset. Like, I hadn't even did the surveys for them yet. So the ones that reset for me that I'm going to do again was the broccoli florets, the Snicker bar, and the croissants. All 3 of those reset for me again. So I'm going to include that. I just grabbed them right now. I'm not going to, obviously I already have what I talked about in the store, but I did get 2 bags of the vegetables, 2 of the croissants, and 2 of the Snicker bars, because these reset. So I wanted to do them again and see if it was going to go through. So let me see if it's, and it's going to let me do the survey again too, which is crazy. Because that's, I mean, I know a few of you guys have mentioned it, but it's never happened to me before. And it immediately reset. Like, as soon as I was in the car doing my surveys, it reset. So I was like, okay, you know, I'm going to go back in there and do them again. So I did all of my surveys. I had 23 surveys to do. I finished them all to see if any more was going to reset. And only those 3 reset for me. Let me double check to make sure. I can't believe I did almost all the surveys, you guys. I did 23, and there was only 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. There's only 37 on here, and I would have done the eggs, but we don't carry, they don't scan for me. We only have the cage-free ones, and they don't scan in this. Otherwise, I would do the eggs. And everything else was kind of higher price, so I kind of had to skip on it. But I did do pretty good. And so, yeah, so just wanted to add that. Other than that, I will see you guys at the end for the final breakdown. All right, so the first deal is on the great value broccoli florets. They're priced at 98 cents. We're going to get back $1.25 from Brand Club, making this a 27-cent moneymaker. Our next deal is going to be on the Great Value mixed vegetables. These are priced at 84 cents, although it does say more. We're getting back $1.15 from Zardi, making this a 31-cent moneymaker. The next deal is on the carrots. Now, I thought we had to get the crinkle cut ones, but it is working on the regular ones. They're priced at 84 cents. We're getting back $1.08 from Zardi, making them a 24-cent moneymaker. We're also grabbing the Sugar Snap Pea Stir Fry, which is priced at $2.33. We're getting back 90 cents on Zardi, making them $1.43. Really want to grab these. It's on the waffle baker pancake. They're priced at $4.18. We're getting back $1.15 from Zardi, making them $3.01. The Snicker bars are priced at 98 cents. I'm grabbing one, getting back $1.25 from Zardi, making this a 27-cent moneymaker. And I did this deal twice. This next deal is on the Starbucks caramel cold brew. It's priced at $7.98. I'm gonna get back $1.05 from Zardi, $2.25 from Brand Club, making this only $4.68. This next deal is on the Great Value shells. Now, I was looking for these in the boxes, but they're actually in bags. All right, they're priced at 92 cents. We're getting back 65 cents from Zardi, making this bag only 27 cents. The next deal is on the Great Value brand panko breadcrumbs. They're priced at $1.77. They come in plain as well as in Italian. They're priced at $1.77. Like I said, we're getting back $1 from Zardi, making them only 77 cents each. This next deal is on the Kellogg Rice Krispie Treats. They're priced at $4.17. We'll be grabbing one of them, getting back 95 cents on Zardi, making them $3.22. The Keebler Chip Deluxe are priced at $2.92. I did find some 50-cent peelies on these, which is really cool. When you kind of just bump into a coupon, that's going to bring my total down to $2.42, getting back 85 cents on Zardi and a $2.75 survey on Brand Club, making this a $1.18 moneymaker. Next up is the Lunchables. They're $1.74, and this is only on the pizza one. We're getting back 96 cents on Zardi, making this only 78 cents. And I kind of really want to try these with Josiah. My oldest son, David, loved these, and Josiah is just a little picky guy. Okay, the Great Value almond milk is priced at $2.36. It's available in the vanilla as well as the original. We're getting back 85 cents on Zardi, making this only $1.51. The Great Value milk is priced at, it's actually rang up for $2.21. All right, I got back $1.35 from Zardi, making this 86 cents. The next deal is on the cottage cheese. It's priced at $2.38, getting back $8 from Zardi, making this $1.38. The Great Value sour cream is priced at $1.96. We're getting back 95 cents on Zardi. I'm making this $1.01. Next up is the Great Value biscuits. They're priced at $1.54. We're getting back 85 cents on Zardi, making them only 69 cents. The Great Value croissant rolls are priced at $1.94. We're grabbing one. We're getting back $1.54 from Zardi, making them only 40 cents. And I did this deal twice. The Great Value cinnamon rolls are priced at $1.88. Getting back $1.15 from Zardi, making them only 73 cents. The Lysol spray is priced at $3.34. We're getting back $1.03 from Zardi, making this only $2.31. We're also grabbing the Mr. Clean Dry Eraser. It's priced at $2.94. We're getting back $1.10 from Zardi, and then I'm going to also be doing a $2.50 Brand Club survey, making this a 66-cent moneymaker. My next deal is on the Emergency. It's priced at $4.97. We're getting back $1.10 on Zardi and then $3 on Brand Club, making this only 87 cents. And last but not least is going to be on the Gillette Satin Shave Cream. It's priced at $2.27. I'm getting back $1.15 from Zardi, $2.25 from Brand Club, making this a $1.13 moneymaker. Okay guys, and here is my complete haul for you guys for today. Everything worked out pretty perfectly. Now keep in mind I did grab 2 bags of broccoli. I also had 2 Snicker bars and 2 of the Great Value croissants as well. I did a total of 25 rebates today. I got back every single one, which is just awesome, y'all. Totally awesome.
On top of that, we got a bunch of food. Do you see this here? Do you see the awesomeness going on in this basket here? I only had 4 items that wasn't food. So as a retail for everything, our total came to $61.04. I only had that 50-cent peely that I found in the store, which is cool because guess what? Y'all don't need no coupons for any of these deals. The out-of-pocket was $60.54. I should be getting back a total of $28.37 from Zardi, $13.75 from Brand Club, bringing everything down to a net of $18.42 for the 26 items that I got. Are 70 cents each. Now, I know for a fact, you guys, I could have gotten this under $5 had I not gotten the Starbucks, the pancakes, the Rice Krispies, or the Lysol, because those were the higher price items that I wanted to kind of grab. But even with that, we still got this for less than 20 bucks, you guys. So if you're not using Zardi, you definitely should sign up. It's absolutely free. Other than that, I'll leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day. Wherever you're watching, and wherever you're watching from, I'll see you in the next video.